In this video, we are creating an essay on the topic of the tech world. You can specify your question by providing details and it will provide an answer accordingly. After this, we will examine what ChatGPT has to say about this topic. Like it writes, the ever-evolving landscape of the tech world. The world has witnessed an unparalleled transformation over the past few decades. Challenges and potential future trajectories. Furthermore, we can write a 500-word essay on noise pollution in a relatively short amount of time. This can save you energy and you can use the ideas from these articles in your post or article.